Our EMF protection kit number 1 has a half sacred cubit ring to put over your left wrist, has a 2 sacred cubit light leaf ring to put over your monitor or over your CPU, and the 3.5 sacred cubit ring. You can, if you have a larger monitor, then you need this one, and take the other one to put over your CPU. You can also use this one to sit on it when you're working on the computer and you don't need it for the computer. And it contains the one set of phone rings. And this you either stick permanently on your cell phone, or you use a rubber band and stick it on your cordless phone at home. It not only helps you to be protected, but it also helps the person you are calling to. And if you click on the report on our website, you will see the pictures. It's really remarkable. Now, our EMF2 protection kit, that also contains a environmental harmonizer, Sacred Cubit. And that comes with a CD. And you want to run the CD 24/7. Well, actually, as long as you're working, at least on the computer. And it's silver plated. And the silver plating seems to really work best with eliminating or significantly reducing the electromagnetic fields. So, and it also has a little ring in there. So when you are leaving your office, you can put your harmonizer in there. Every now and then it's good to clean the harmonizer, depending how big and how severe the electromagnetic fields are. So this is our EMF2 protection.